here to present about trabeculectomy with Ologen versus trabeculectomy with MMC for the treatment glaucoma 24 months randomized clinical trial. As you all know, glaucoma is a neuropathy with a slow progressing loss of visual field concerning with damage to heads of optic nerve and retinal neurofiber layer. Loss of visual field acuity due to loss of ganglion cell and interaction. Trabeculectomy with MMC is still gold standard for filtration surgery with treatment glaucoma. The anti-fibrotic agent, particularly MMC, inhibits fibroblast activity due to reducing post-operative scarring and increasing surgical success rate. But as you know, the disadvantage of procedure is post-operative scarring is fibrosis leading blast failures, elevated IOP. Let's look now with Ologen. It is a biodegradable collagen matrix implant, can reduce side effects of anti-fibrosis agent, and was researched in many countries and was approved by FDA in 2009. Now I will show you general information about Ologen. It is a biodegradable porous scanning foam matrix. It is made 90% collagen glycosaminoglycan and 10 controlling 6 sulfates. And 90% Ologen is a porous structure with a pore size range between 10 to 300 micrometers. This is an electron microscopic image. You can see the porous structure of the Ologen. Now I will move on the Ologen mechanism. It is two mechanisms. The first is physical effects controlling aqueous humor brain, and physiological effects controlling wound healing process. I will start with the physical effect. Ologen have three features: porous structure, material, superior water absorbing ability, and finally excellent pliable strength. This picture will illustrate the physical effects of Ologen. The first initial, the aqueous humor go to the scleral tunnel, and Ologen absorbs aqueous humor, become the heavy and creates weight on the scleral flap. A water absorbing Ologen is provide external absorbing Ologen will provide external control of aqueous humor outflow due to incident of hypotony. And Ologen absorbs aqueous humor, become the heavy and creates weight on the scleral flap, and dynamic scleral flap movement due to prevention of wound adhesion. Well, I told you about physical effect. Now I move to physical effect. This picture shows you the porous structure of Ologen with inflammatory cell inside. The inflammatory cell secret connecting with tissue form of the loop matrix is to degrade the formation and then scan tissue. After 90 to 180 days is a liver or milieu of organized fibroblast, myofibroblast, and extracellular matrix with a less scar formation. The picture gives you the physiologic collagen disposition. I would like to look at the picture is so the main point about difference between Ologen and MMC. As you can see, Ologen accounts proliferation and migration of fibroblasts to the wound blast. It is able to healthy tissue regeneration. Conversely, MMC is inhibits cell migration, so non-selective the cell that without wound healing with a thin vascular epithelium. That's all I have to say about Ologen. Now I would like to turn the clinical trial. It is a prospective randomized study for two intervention groups. We have a 50 patients and with PACG and ACG, and group 1 is tracked with MMC and group 2 tracked with Ologen. And post-operating we visit first day, first week, first month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. That is all I say about Ologen. Now I would like to turn a clinical trial. The main outcome includes IOP thickness equal and under 21, 17, and 15 millimeter of mercury, morphine, less grading system, number of glaucoma medication, complication, and post-operative adjunctive procedure. We define completed success is a thickness endpoint IOP without anti-glaucomatous medication, and with a qualified success is a thickness endpoint IOP regardless with medication. It is a surgical technique I apply to the study superior forklift-based conjunctival and canoplasty rectangular 2 times 4 mm wide scleral flap and rectangular 1 times 2 mm wide communal scleral tissue, including the trabecular meshwork, MMC 0.4 and Ologen on the scleral. This picture shows you trabeculectomy with Ologen procedure. Firstly, make the forklift-based conjunctival flap, and next create scleral flap, and then do the trabeculectomy, peripheral ileolectomy, and suture the scleral flap, and then put the Ologen on the scleral flap, and next the suture conjunctiva. The post-operative care, we apply the Bach group, topical ofloxacin for the 2 weeks, topical prednisolone acetate for the 7 to 8 weeks, post-operative follow-up first day to the 24 months. Let's look now at the study. It is illustrate the figures of demographic characteristic of study. As you can see, the patient in 2 groups is not significant differ to the age, general height, mean, and number of pre-operative topical of the medicine. The next table shows you the similar in the type of glaucoma and 2 groups with a high rate of AAC and its group. This result is IOP follow-up. No intergroup difference was present and any scheduled post-operative observation time. It is indicates of the efficacy of Ologen implant in MMC. Is possible to larger sample in the larger periods of follow-up control confirmed with a similar IOP reduction in infection in Ologen compared with MMC. Next, the table shows you the post-operative IOP reduction. You can look like this. The analyze, you look at the success onto the success raise Ologen stem to the higher and MMC group. There is no significant difference into completed success and the qualified success group is IOP is 11. You can see the track is 6 months. And this MBGA 24-month follow-up you can see on the track. Is this picture show you the MMC and Ologen? Some complications you can see here. We have some conclusion here. No significant difference to the post-operative IOP reduction in two groups. Very few anti-glaucomatous medication through the 24-month follow-up. No significant difference into the 21, 16 or 15 millimeter of mercury. The blast higher in Ologen group is higher than MMC. Very important of follow-up. MMC blast is more vascular than Ologen blast. No significant difference. Post-operative complication objective procedure in two groups. Ologen may be a safe and effective filtration surgery and healthy plaque. Ologen may be preferred in patients which have a high risk of MMC. Further, larger randomized trial is required to investigation long-term with a safe and new device. You can see the picture is the first one. I'm sorry. Thank you very much.